Hello there. Sorry, I was just feeling my oats. Okay, here's the tea. I love to transform myself into horrendous items. Well, not horrendous, but funny things. So, our dog Theo's favorite toy ever is balls. He actually has a degree in ball science, actually a doctorate in ball science, which is pretty impressive considering he's only 4. So, I thought I would turn myself into a ChuckIt ball, which is his favorite type of ball. And I gotta be honest, I tried doing this video once already, and it was very hot in our apartment that day, and it was too sweaty. It didn't work. I'll insert some footage, but it was bad. So I'm gonna redo this, and I'm gonna do it better. We're gonna be patient. We got our hair dryer to help us dry stuff, and we're gonna turn into a ChuckIt ball. And Theo's gonna love it. So, I've started by moisturizing and priming my face. Next, it's time for the bald cap. So we gotta flatten our hair down into like a ponytail situation, loaf moment. Last time, I cut ear holes, but I'm gonna be a ChuckIt ball. I don't need my ears. So this time, to make it easier, we're just gonna put it on, cover the ears, become a ball. So, get excited for that. I'm also gonna be using a glue stick and hairspray. This isn't the proper way to do a bald cap, but it's definitely my way, and I have experience because I was Uncle Fester from the Addams Family for Halloween one year. I'm gonna insert a beautiful montage of me living my best life as Uncle Fester. It was amazing. People I knew for like years had no clue who I was at the bar. There was this one girl who was absolutely glaring at me. She was not a fan of my costume. Okay, so we got that done. We're gonna take our hairspray and we're just gonna try to smooth everything down. Anything that we can't smooth down, we're gonna just glue down because glue washes out really easily if you get the washable kind. And we're also gonna glue down our eyebrows, which actually we're gonna start first because this needs to dry. I've tried to learn, it never works out for me. I just do the best I can with gluing down my eyebrows. Shut up! Leave glue around your eyebrows because then it just looks like cottage cheese and it's not very nice. This looks like hairspray. Oh, I look beautiful. Okay, we're looking good so far. So far, so good. Feel our eyebrows? Pretty dry. We'll do another layer. This is the best time to stock up on bald caps, by the way, because Halloween's on its way here. So all the stores have Halloween stuff. They all have bald caps, so it just makes it really easy to do funny things to yourself. Okay, here's our bald cap. Normally you'd also put like a wig stocking or something on, but it's okay.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh yeah, that's already gonna be way better than it was last time. So this is great. Okay, so first I'm gonna glue on the back, I think. Normally I use beer gum, but I've never had luck with it, so we're using glue stick. good. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it definitely has to be perfect, so no pressure. So far, this is already going way better than the last time, so that's good. You know what? The back is going to be a bit wrinkly, but that's totally okay. Okay, and now we let it dry before we move our face too much because we don't want to mess this up. Okay, so you want to set your eyebrows a little bit with some powder first, which I always think is weird because I never like to put liquids over powders. But who am I to argue with science, so... Okay, so this time I got some paint brushes to help me out with this. I'm definitely gonna have to get Wes to help me paint the back of my head because I don't have any mirrors to hold up to get it, but I'm gonna do the blue outline first, wait for it to dry, and then fill it in with the orange, I think. And I have paint brushes this time because last time I tried a makeup sponge and it was not optimal. Cream makeup never works as well as they say it does, in my humble opinion. But maybe today will surprise me. Don't mind that.
No.
Yes, this is how I enjoy to spend my free time. I just want to put that out there. Stunning. How wild would it be to get a Spirit Halloween sponsorship? That would be amazing. How do we make this happen? I want a Spirit Halloween sponsorship because I have such a huge following. I deserve one. Makes sense? Honestly, this isn't perfect, but it's like 100% better than last time, so I want to know if Theo's gonna think I'm weird, if he's gonna think I'm a ChuckIt ball. I'm curious. Very curious. I wonder if Wes is even gonna recognize me. Probably not. Okay, I think we're looking good on the blue. Wow, I'm fierce. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be my new everyday look. ChuckIt ball realness. Might be able to paint the back of my own head because I didn't put blue all the way back there. I wore a shirt I didn't care about getting orange on. So if you feel like doing this look, make sure you wear a shirt you don't care about. Wow, this is phenomenal. how the back's gonna look, but that's okay. Okay, time to let it dry. How does the back look? Be honest. Awful? That's what I thought. I love this look for me. There, we're all set. We ruined a well, no, we didn't ruin a make brush. Probably ruined this cheap thing, but that's okay. Wow, stunning. We have to add the final bits, aka I got blue fake eyelashes because they were there and I thought it would help finish the look. Oh my gosh, we love this look for her. Wow, stunning, amazing. I'm a ChuckIt ball. Would you like to throw me across the field so your dog could go retrieve me? Wow. I'm in your toy box. Wow. Hi, I'm in your toy box, yeah. I'm your ball. No, you're gonna lick the make ball. Theo, I'm the real ball. Wow, he loves this. He's totally fooled. He has no idea I'm not a real ChuckIt ball. So this is a successful transformation, I'd say. Thanks for watching. If anybody knows my mom, you don't have to warn her. She already knows what I'm like. So I'm gonna go be a ball now. Bye. Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. Thank you for watching. I had so much fun making this and I hope you had just as much fun watching. My face is stained now. It is the next day and I still can see color on my face and it won't come off. So that's fun, but I don't mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.